In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the New York style chopped cheese the Ocky Way. Let's start with the ingredient list. Alright, this is all of the ingredients you're going to need. You need some spinach, some sliced white bread, some Mexican style shredded cheese, some of these sweet or banana peppers, however spicy you like them, tomato, nice bit of ground beef. This is Wagyu ground beef from Costco. I think they give 3 little packets. What is it? So 3 pounds for like 20 bucks. Very inexpensive and super flavorful. And you need some mozzarella sticks. All right, let's get started. All right, so you need the burger meat cooking, mozzarella sticks frying. Don't worry, I know it's a little bit dirty. I fried some chicken in there earlier. And some bread toasting. I know Aki likes to use the Goya seasoning, but I think the Wagyu just needs maybe a little bit of this Montreal steak seasoning. Not too much. All right, I've gone ahead and mixed the cheese and the peppers here all together, leaving a nice little layer of fat. This is ready to be served. All right, we got the mozzarella sticks. It's like a spicy Thousand Island sauce. I add a little mayo also for consistency. And our chopped beef is ready to go. We got the bread, the spinach, and the tomatoes. Let's assemble everything. All right, let's start off. We're gonna put down one of each here like this. I'm gonna put chopped cheese on one. Good amount too. Then we're going to hit it with some sauce and cover this one up. Going to add a little more sauce here. Three mozzarella sticks. 2 sliced tomato, a little bit of spinach, another little bit of the sauce, and the other one on top finally. And this is it. Let's cut it. I like cutting sandwiches diagonally. All right, let's see how it looks. Ooh. Wow. That looks pretty good. All right, let's try out this chopped cheese here. I had the other one obviously in Miami, if you guys seen the video. So let's see, let's compare them. All right guys, it was pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 9. I had a really good blueprint to follow, General Ock, so I kind of knew what to do and how to put it together. If you enjoyed this video, I don't really know, if you want longer videos too, this is my first members only video, definitely leave me a comment. and let me know what you're thinking, what kind of content you want to see. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to eat, drink, and be merry.